Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, and we are back with a new video. And in today's video we are going to test out some Game Boy Color games on the X9 portable system from China. Alright, are you ready for it? I am! Let's go! Alright, this first game, Piano Commando. Sound is not bad at all, not bad at all. I'm using the widescreen. It's also possible to swap to the original size. Oh, that's interesting. It's freezing. Alright. Alright, we're going to try that one again. Restart. No, for sure. No, it's not booting up. Let's see if this game wants to boot up. Oh, see it glitching. Ow. Doom 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 doom. So people, for the final conclusion about the Game Boy Color game emulation on the X9. It's just fine. Because, yeah, beside the point, some games will not start or some will have a little bit of glitching. The games run just fine and you can just enjoy them in widescreen and original mode. So yeah, you need to find out for yourself if your favorite game is working, because yeah, there are too many games that you need to check out. So yeah, and overall in this testing I just wanted to see if these were working. So yeah, if you have any questions, leave it in the comments. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell. And see you next time. Bye bye.